metal. How we doing, kids? It's Todd from ToJu Racing. We got a little unboxing to do here. Let's jump right in. So this is Kurt's car, not my car. So Kurt, you'll be very happy with this. Sorry about the adjustments here. Bear with me. Had to open with a little accept. Midnight Mover. Great stuff. Metal, you know. All right. So this is a GT car. I'm not going to tell you who makes it. You're going to find out in just a moment. You ready? Ha-ha! Just kidding. Here we go. CR8 Vet. Let's get this out of here and get her on the turntable so we can get a better look at it. So for those of you that are interested, this is the same as the blacked out, murdered out Chevy CR8 pace car. It's the exact same car, and these run really, really nice. Mike has one of the CR8 pace cars, and Kurt really liked it, so I said, well, why don't you just buy the non-pace car version? And so he did. And I think he's going to put his Piranha motor in that. If so, I'll do a video on that. I've got to double check with him first. But all right, let's get this baby on the turntable and zoom in. She really is a beautiful car. With the mobile livery, the numbers on the sides. I mean, wow. Just brilliant looking car. I like the big red mirrors too. The yellow stripe accents look really good. You can see a lot on the back there. With all your different sponsors and your numbers. Better look at the top. Can't see the driver in there just a little bit. Looks like he's got a yellow suit on. The fill point. Very, very cool. Sirius XM. This is one serious car. Beautiful, beautiful Corvette. So we're going to do a out-of-the-box test with this. I'm going to do a separate video. We're going to film it with as is, out of the box, and see how fast we can get. Then we're going to tune the car and see how fast we can get. Then we're going to add the Paul gauge tires and see how fast we can get. And after that, we're going to add the Piranha motor and see how fast we can get. It'll be a cool little video. We'll have to do it in 4 parts, but we'll fix all that up together, and it'll be nice and easy for you guys to watch. So, a beautiful metal car. Congratulations, Kurt, on your new Corvette. She's beautiful. Kurt has another car coming this week, and Dave has a car coming this week, and I have a car coming this week. So there's going to be 3 more unboxings this week. So, yeehaw. Heck, I still haven't even had time to get to this. But the problem is I need to spray paint it, and with it being so cold out, it's too cold to even spray paint out because the paint will freeze, you know what I mean, when it's below freezing. So it has to get a lot warmer for me to do that. But I am going to try to start on all the interior points and all the bits, other bits that I can do. And the tuning and what have you, but that's another matter. So back to the matter at hand. Beautiful new Corvette. I can't even talk. Chevy Corvette C8-R. Look for the video coming up where we do all of the tuning and testing. I will actually post a link to that right up here once it's done, but not until it's done. Once it's done, it'll be there. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. See you later, Slot Cowboys and Slot Cowgirls. Race on.